Very warm happy day to all my stars. Hope you all are safe and good with your family members. Okay, today we are going to continue our Unit 12 Plant Anatomy and Plant Physiology. Today's topic is Role of Sunlight in Photosynthesis. Take page number 181 in your Science 2 book. Take in notes. Children, this is very important book pack 7 mark question. So listen carefully, take in notes. So work and participation of sunlight in photosynthesis. Work role. Okay, and participation of sunlight in photosynthesis. The entire process of photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. The structure of chloroplast is such that the light dependent light reaction and light independent dark reaction takes place at different sites in the organelle. So, listen, the entire, write the meaning, entire or whole process of photosynthesis takes place or happens inside the chloroplast. What is chloroplast? Already we learned. Yes, green color plastids. See, the structure of chloroplast is in light dependent reaction. Light dependent ஒளியை சார்ந்த light reaction and light independent ஒளியை சாராமல் dark reaction. Okay, the above both reactions takes place at different sites or place in the organelle. What is organelle? A group of organs is called organelle. First one is light dependent reaction, Hill reaction or light reaction. This was discovered by Robin Hill 1939. This reaction takes place in the presence of light energy in thylakoid membranes, grana of the chloroplast. Photosynthetic pigments absorb the light energy and convert into chemical energy ATP and NADPH2. These products of light reaction move out from the thylakoid to the stroma of the chloroplast. Yes, my dear, the first one is light dependent reaction. Use of light, this reaction will occur. Okay, the other names of this reaction are Hill reaction and light reaction. This was discovered or invented by Robin Hill in which year? 1939. Thylakoid membrane. Thylakoid membranes, we knew thylakoid layer, grana means thylakoid layers. Grana means thylakoid layers. On the basis of this thylakoid membrane, grana of chloroplast have light energy. In presence of light energy, this reactions takes place. Okay, finally we can understand this reactions takes place by light energy. Okay, in presence of light energy, in presence of light energy, this reactions takes place. Isn't it? Photosynthetic pigment. What is photosynthetic pigment? Pigments involved in photosynthesis are called photosynthetic pigment. This is a 2-mark question, maybe. So, that photosynthetic pigments absorb light energy and changes into chemical energy. Listen, my dear. Photosynthetic pigments absorb which one? Light energy and changes into chemical energy. So, these two chemical energies ATP and NADPH2. So, these two products, chemical products of light energy, ATP and NADPH2. First, it have in thylakoid chloroplast, right? So, from thylakoid it moved to the stroma of the chloroplast. Okay? It have thylakoid of chloroplast. So, from thylakoid it moved to the stroma of the chloroplast. More to know. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ADP, adenosine diphosphate. NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Listen, my dears, the 3 letters, the first letter, okay, va? Adenosine, A means adenosine, T means tri, P mean phosphate. ADP, A mean adenosine, D mean di, P mean phosphate. NAD, N mean nicotinamide, A mean adenine, D mean dinucleotide. NADP, N nicotinamide, A adenine, D di, P phosphate. This is very, very important 1-mark question. A cell cannot get its energy directly from glucose. So, in respiration, the energy released from glucose is used to make ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Dear children, do you know? Very, very important. This one, okay. This is only 1-mark question. A cell cannot get its energy from glucose. A cell cannot get its energy from glucose. So, in respiration process, glucose release energy. That energy is used to make one of the chemical energy in light reaction. That is what? ATP. Okay. Second one is light independent reactions. Dark reaction, biosynthetic space. Dark reaction or biosynthetic pathway takes place in stroma. During this reaction, CO2 is reduced into carbohydrates with the help of light generated ATP and NADPH2. This is also called as Calvin cycle and is carried out in the absence of light. It is called dark reaction. Light dependent reactions. Dark reaction, biosynthetic space or stage. Space or stage. Phase or stage. This is what? The 2 other name of light dependent reaction. Okay. Dark reaction. Dark reaction takes place in stroma. What is stroma? Already we learned matrix present inside to the membrane is called stroma. Okay. Listen carefully. Light reaction generated ATP and NADPH2. We knew. So, with the help of ATP and NADPH2, CO2, carbon dioxide, is reduced to carbohydrates. Okay. At where? The light independent reactions. So, therefore, this is also called Calvin cycle. Okay. Yes, and in this reaction, Calvin cycle, in this reaction, this is no role of light. There is no role of light. Okay, hence it is called as dark reaction. Therefore, this is also called Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle. And in this reaction, there is no role of light. Okay. So, hence it is called, very, very important. So, hence it is called as dark reaction. Dear children, one more time. Light independent reaction, dark reaction or biosynthetic phase or stage. Phase or stage. This is what the other two names are light independent reactions. Okay. Dark reaction and biosynthetic phase. Dark reaction takes place in stroma. Already we know stroma. Okay, listen. Light reaction generated ATP and NADPH2. We knew that also we knew. So, with the help of ATP and NADPH2, carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrates. Okay, at where? At the light independent reactions. That is dependent, this one independent reaction. So, therefore, this is also called Calvin cycle. And this reaction, there is no role of light. Hence, it is called as dark reaction. In Calvin cycle, the inputs are CO2 from the atmosphere and the ATP and NADPH2 produced from light reaction. Let's see about Calvin cycle. In Calvin cycle, inputs are CO2 from atmosphere, ATP and NADPH2 from light reaction. Okay, very, very important, dears. There's 2 mark question. Very, very important question. Dear, overview of Hill and Calvin cycle. Photosynthesis has 2 types of reaction. Light dependent reaction, light independent reaction or Calvin cycle. Okay. See, chloroplast have ATP, NADPH2, NADP, ADP. Okay. Then the 4 things. Okay. Light dependent reactions absorb H2O and release O2. And Calvin cycle absorb CO2, carbon dioxide and release glucose. Melvin Calvin, an American biochemist, discovered chemical pathway for photosynthesis. The cycle is named as Calvin cycle. He was awarded with Nobel Prize in the year 1961 for his discovery. Melvin Calvin was an American biochemist. He discovered chemical pathway or reactions for photosynthesis. Okay, so the cycle is called Calvin cycle. He awarded Nobel Prize in 1961 for his discovery. Okay. Maybe this is one more question. Next, factors affecting photosynthesis. Internal factors, pigments, leaf age, accumulation of carbohydrates, hormones. External factors, light, carbon dioxide, temperature, water, mineral elements. Factors affecting photosynthesis. Compulsory public question, 4-mark question. So, please try to study. This is very, very important 4-mark question per public question. Internal factors, which mean inside the leaf. Pigments. Okay. Leaf age. First, if leaf aged it becomes yellow, that stage is called leaf age. அதாவது நம்ம பார்ப்போம் செடியில் பச்சை கலராக ஃபஸ்ட்டு இலை நமக்கு தெரியும். அது நாளான பிறகு என்ன கலராக மாறும்? எல்லோ கலராக மாறும். அதை நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் வழக்கத்தில்? இலை பழுத்துருச்சு, பழுத்தல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ லீஃப் ஏஜ் இட் பிகம்ஸ் எல்லோ, தட் ஸ்டேஜ் இஸ் கால்ட் லீஃப் ஏஜ். தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் அக்குமுலேஷன். அக்குமுலேஷன் மீன்ஸ் குவிதல். அக்குமுலேஷன் ஆர் எக்ஸஸ் கேதரிங் ஆஃப் கார்போஹைட்ரேட்ஸ். எக்ஸஸ் கேதரிங் ஆஃப் carbohydrates. Fourth one is hormones. Leaf does have any hormonal problem. Leaf does have any hormonal problem. Okay. B. Internal factors. Over. Second one is external factors. External factors outside the leaf surroundings. Light, sunlight. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Excess CO2 is respired by leaf. Excess CO2 is respired by leaf. Third one is temperature, heat. Overheat is produced. Fourth one is water. Water may affect the leaf condition. Fifth one is mineral elements. Food grains in soil affect leaf. Food grains in soil affect leaf. Infobit. Artificial photosynthesis is a method for producing renewable energy by the use of sunlight. Indian scientist C.N. Rao, who was conferred the Bharat Ratna 2013, is also working on similar technology of artificial photosynthesis to produce hydrogen fuel, renewable energy. Listen, my dears, artificial photosynthesis. Artificial photosynthesis is method of producing renewable energy by sunlight. Okay. No confuse. Yes. Next, C.N.R. Rao, Indian scientist. His name is C.N.R. Rao. Conferred or received Bharat Ratna in 2013 for working on similar technology of artificial photosynthesis. Similar technology of artificial photosynthesis that will produce hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen fuel is important example of renewable energy. Listen, my dear, this is a 1-mark question. Hydrogen fuel is important example of renewable energy. Okay. Dear students, take hints, write in your science note. Thank you.